So it's been a minute, and I haven't done much.
What I have done is temporarily fitted up a dash, gauges and stuff. Car runs, it's good. Throttle needs some work, brakes, clutch need to be bled, do nut and bolt all of the corners, and then it'll be drivable. What I'm going to be doing in today's time box is removing the seat, slapping in some more of the carpeting. My first plan was to use hook and loop fastener, and I changed path. I just decided I didn't like it, and went with this. Scotch outdoor carpet tape. Been pretty good to work with. This panel have all been done. So just need to pop the seat out, do that side, and we'll go from there.
So I gotta run this as a time box. I'll slam an hour down onto the time lapse, see where we get to.
Need a ton of tape, just a little around the edges, some in the center.
So I'm running out to grab some food and some more tape because I ran out. Well, got it, sadly. We only have one roll left. Spend way too much money here.